Hello friends. Now because it's the weekend, we can't do any trading in other normal pairs. They will open on Monday, but the crypto market is open. I will show you capital risk management and trading points with expert advisor in the crypto market. Now there are 3 instruments in cryptos in my follow-up list: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and AVAX. Now, let's start with Bitcoin today. For Bitcoin, robots first by 22.793. And this price has seen 22,295 as the lowest point, and at 22,790 points, EA has given the signal for the purchase of the first stage. $22.773, as you can see here. At 12:30 Turkey time, he took a step up a notch. Let's come to Ethereum. He gave a buy point at 1623, and the lowest he saw was 1619 today, and in Ethereum, I traded manually at 1632. I also traded Bitcoin manually because sometimes, especially in Bitcoin and Ethereum, Meta Trader 5, there is a delay related to the order transmission, and this order is not executed. But if you look at it like this, for example, in AVAX, there is no such delay in AVAX. He gave a buy point at 16,992 and sent the order and executed the order. That is, he made the transaction. Today, there were 3. So 1 exposure was open on each of these 3 instruments, and trailing stop loss was applied to them, were activated, so as these go up, the stop loss amounts will go up. In a $200 movement for Bitcoin, that is, when it comes to 23,350, it will now be moved to my stop loss purchase point at my purchase point, and this position will not have the possibility of loss. And in Ethereum, currently 1610, when it makes a $20 upward movement. In this, that is, when it sees 1680, it will come to my purchase point again. AVAX. When we came in, he made a buy at 1699. But I will carry it as a medium and long-term position. I had a position that I opened yesterday. I opened it manually at 1722. I put that trailing stop on that position at 17 to 22, and when it moves up by $1, it will come to the position point I opened. The biggest advantage of trailing stop loss is that it moves the stop point up as the price moves up. It minimizes our risk of loss, and this risk disappears when it reaches the point where we open the position we have opened. From now on, the subsequent rises will reflect us completely as profit. Capital risk management with minimum account in this channel. And again with the minimum notes, notice that all the lots here are 0.01, in Ethereum it's 0.10. This is what my broker gave me. Limits. So the lowest limit is 0.10 lot for Ethereum and 0.01 lot for Bitcoin. You see it in other instruments too, 0.01 lot that you see on the internet, on Twitter. on other YouTube channels is not a demo account. The account I use is a real account and the opening balance of the account is 300 euros. As follows. I also linked it to my Signal account in Meta Trader. You can also follow it from there. This Signal account is a page where people who use Forex, especially abroad, can copy my trades for a fee. I am already an approved dealer and an approved Signal provider in the Meta Trader store. Here you can already see that the amount of money I deposited at the beginning, that is, at the moment I opened the account, was 160 euros, then I deposited another 130 euros, and then another 130 euros, for a total of 290 euros, let's say 300 euros, and you see, in about 11 weeks, that is, 2 to 3 months, he has taken in twice as much profit as the money we invested, and our profit amount is 610 euros, and the current and the profit on our positions is about 230 euros. Profit 206% now every day. I take a profitable pose of about $10, $20, 20 euros as a profit and increase the safe. At the same time, I also carry medium and long-term positions. While calculating this, as I explained in previous videos, up to 10 times the asset or collateral, I make a calculation using 1/10 leverage, and it means 11 positions. According to the current asset, my total position that I can carry medium and long-term position is 7, 10, 15, 16, 17. So if you consider 11, 12 of them as medium and long-term, about 4 to 5, I'm holding the position for daily profit. If you pay attention to them, the robot adds its own SL amounts here, and again, in the SL tracked by the robot, we chase the maximum loss in these open positions, and that's it for today's video. If you have any questions, you can write on Twitter or under the videos. See you again tomorrow, and good luck to everyone.